Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 29th September to 3rd October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here, first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as we can see, 0.3% positive move, 1.16991 was the closing on Friday. So currently we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So here I have opened, so let's open a weekly chart over here. So here I've already opened the weekly chart. If I talk about the current candle, you can see a bearish candle with a small body and a medium lower wick with a big upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI, we can see stochastic RSI around 1820 levels. That is oversold levels. Currently, here the stochastic RSI is indicating us a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for or depend only on indicators or RSI. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data as well. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on the all notification tab so that you don't miss any videos that I upload during the weekly analysis. So here currently let's now talk about my expectation here. If I talk about first, important support zone and resistance zone are already marked. We don't need to mark any new or any other levels. Currently the Euro USD is in a range and we are following the same range for past 2 to 3 weeks. Currently, if I talk about the closing, 1.16991 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16921 and direct resistance is 1.1716 to 168. Here, after direct support, there is a support of 1.16500 and then 1.16000. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17454 and then 1.17882. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. So currently, do mark these levels. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared 20% discount coupon code that will help you to get 20% off on any challenges that you buy from the prop firm number 1. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I have already shared a withdrawal live payout that I have made. You can also watch that so that you get to know that even prop firms, pay timely and you get the payment if you follow the rules that the prop firm has made. Currently, let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So currently my expectations for this week is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.17168 to 1.17454. I'm expecting a closing in this range till Friday. If you're looking for any bearish trade, then only look for bearish trade if 1.16921 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short position till 1.16500. So these are important levels that you need to follow. So overall my expectation is positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.